Hello my crafty friends. I am here to introduce you today to the large store and clip pod. So like all of the pieces in the store and clip pod, you are gonna, when this arrives to you, it is gonna be flat like this. You are just gonna open it up and push the base down on the inside to give it that structure. It has a little handle on the front. It has the all the way around band so you can clip it together with the clips. It does come with one clip. I would really recommend that you pick up an extra pack of clips because you're gonna love to be able to configure these in more than one way. So those extra clips are helpful. This is 13 by 10 by 3. It has one divider on the inside. So when you leave it flat without using the divider, now you've got room for 12 by 12. When you pull the divider across, now you've got a small section over here and then 8.5 by 11 section on this side. So depending if you're using it for office supplies, for A4 8.5 by 11 for card making, or 12 by 12, you can use that divider to configure it either way. So just a couple of examples of what you might be able to fit in here. So this is the 12 by 12 configuration. These are the A4 8.5 by 11 tab divider pockets in the landscape orientation, and they fit perfectly in there. You, of course, our 12 by 12 pockets are going to be a no-brainer in that back pocket, your 12 by 12 papers, anything like that. And then, of course, it's also going to hold your rolls of vinyl if you want to keep vinyl in there, or if you're using it for project management. So with the 12 by 12 configuration, there's a few ideas, different sizes and shapes of things that you're going to be able to fit in there. This one I've got in the 8.5 by 11 configuration. So I've got a variety of rulers on this side, cutting plates, rotating design board, even a magazine in there so you can kind of see how that all fits. If you want to use the vertical pockets, you can use the vertical A4 8.5 by 11 pockets as well with this, as well as the landscape. So that is the large store and clip in. Again, it's 13 by 10 by 3. Fits perfectly in the tray, but can also be used on its own. Again, it's going to come with just the one clip. So if you want to add extra clips, I would really recommend doing that as well.